Here we go on a big adventure.
I don't know what to say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Colors all around, but I don't see anything but blue.
Okay, woohoo! We are on a huge adventure today.
Aventura hoje. Muito radical.
Que é a aventura, baby?
Parapente, paragliding.
Parapente?
É, português.
Ah, parapente? Yeah, mesmo espanhol. Paragliding. Paragliding. What the hell? Que porra é essa? Oh, Linda. Tica, 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 tica. Jennifer Lopez.
Los 4 documentos.
Agora vamos fazer uma aventura pular de parapente. Se eu voltar viva, eu conto pra vocês como foi. Ai, meu Deus.
Ah, ne, aventura. No. Poquito. Yeah.
No, relax. It's very easy. Okay?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Correr pra onde? Pra ali? Pra ali?
Para allá.
Aqui?
Yo casi digo que en español, pero un poco más.
Ven, si quieres, mete tu cámara aquí.
Vamos. Mi oficina. Bienvenida a mi oficina.
Lost in the sound, go back to the start. Let's go out of the dark. Let's go out of the dark. Get into the light now.
Não morri, tô vivo.
Você gosta?
Desgosto.
Hã? Cansada? Alright.
No more.
You did it. Woohoo! No morta.
Get into the light now.
We think for this leg of the journey, we're going to Jurassic Park. Adventura, nene. We're still trying to make it to our cabin. Cansado, baby? Você quer vento forte? Bom? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go on record after 20 minutes of this walk and say that we're going to the wrong place. So we're following a group who claims they're going to the same place we are, but I think we've had some communication issues. We're supposed to have gone 100 meters off the main road and gone through a gate. Well, we're about 800, 900 meters off the main road, still going, and we still don't know where the hell this place is.
You don't know what I'm gonna do.
All right, man.
You don't know what is next.
Okay, we're on our second leg of the wild goose chase. Since my worst fears were realized, we went all the way to the Casa in the Air place just to find out we're at the wrong place. Grande aventura.
Grande aventura.
Aventura. Todos os dias. Every day is a different adventure for us. So today, this is our adventure. See if I can get it in the frame even, so big. That's what she said. Beautiful. Incredible.
Incredible.
Incredible. Você gostou, Julia?
Obrigada, meu amor.
Obrigado, Deuce. Well, this is kind of what you call a fork in the road. There's a little pink arrow pointing to our left and a trail that way, and there's also a serious trail to the right. Which way, honey?
A direita. No, a direita.
Izquierda? Okay.
Esquerda.
This is where Anne is going to put me to sleep tonight because I made her do this trail. Right? Cachorro casa? Yeah, see, you heard it. Look at these beautiful plants. Now this dog has got it going on. Look at that vista. Good, hold you.
Zip line?
Yeah. Dog loves giant tree limbs. He already attacked Ane with one tree limb.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before.
Yeah, depois filming. Ane is about to conquer
Did you think you could keep us
this.
out? Shut the gates, forget us.
Sí, siéntate.
Okay.
Sí, va.
Okay. Woohoo! Miles aventura! Uh-oh. I'm not stopping. Come on. Come on, woman. Put some Amazon into it. All right. Oh, yeah. Come on, Amazonas. ¿Vos te gusta Amazonas?
With the ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise.
Ane Aventura.
Can you hear the sound?
Ane's about to jump out of a perfectly good house on the side of a mountain.
Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving.
Whoa! Oh, new juice!
Can you hear the sound?
Amazonas!
We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Oh, yeah! All right. Woo! Listen to that echo. Woo! Oh! Awesome. All right, this is about 30 seconds post pendulum jump. That was just a rush. I couldn't wait to jump off that balcony though, because I had to hold myself up on that rail while they put about 300 pounds of tension on my back. Man, I was like, just let me go. It was awesome.